Hello YouTubers, in this video I am going to show you how to interface this Nokia LCD display with the NodeMCU. These three buttons are for controlling the LCD. This is up, down and OK button. OK button is pulled up externally with a 10K resistor because it is connected to GPIO 16 of the NodeMCU. We do not have internal pull-up resistor. And this potentiometer will act as a slider, means it can increase or decrease the values. This 470 microfarad potential capacitor is optional. Now let's look at the pin connections. These are the LCD pin and these are the corresponding NodeMCU pin. This CE means chip enable of the LCD pin, which is connected to GPIO 15, and data or command pin is connected to GPIO 4. The LED pin shown here is connected. This is GPIO 0. We are not using GPIO 0 in this video. We are directly connected to 3.3 volt. I will show when I am connected. This is for controlling the brightness of the LCD. We are not using that in this video. This up, down and OK buttons are connected to GPIO 10, 5 and 16. And a 10K potentiometer is connected to ADC 0. It's the ADC 0. This 470 microfarad is optional. It is connected between VCC and ground. You can pause the video and connect as it shown here. Now let's look at the code. Now let's look at the Nokia LCD module. This module will have two classes, Nokia LCD and LCD. We are only using the LCD class to print and initialize the LCD. This is the constructor of the LCD. It will have many parameters. These first four parameters are initializing the HSPI of the NodeMCU, and this is for initializing the LCD display. The CE means the CE pin of the LCD, which is connected to GPIO 15. DC data or command pin of the LCD is connected to GPIO 4. This is the clear function. It will take three parameters. This function what actually do is clear the screen. The X is the X coordinate, Y is the Y coordinate. It is clearing the LCD by putting space on the screen. If the space is 2, it will print 2 spaces at this coordinate by default. If you want to clear all the screen, you just call the clear without any parameter. I will show you how to use this. The print line will print integer and string as well. If you are passing a integer, then you must pass the number of digit. This is because when the number is decrementing from 3 digit to 2 digit, it will not print correctly if you didn't pass the number of digit to this function. If you are passing a string, then you can leave as it is. By default it is none. This is the custom. This is for printing custom character. This new char, I will show you how. This is for setting the contrast value. By default this value is very low, then you can change it, or you can use the set contrast function. I will show you how to use in the menu tutorial. This very large py file .py extension module will not work inside the ESP8266. You need to cross compile it to .mpy extension. and also this menu module. This menu and OK clicked modules are used to print menu and submenu items, and this is for creating a custom character. This module is used outside the ESP8266. This will not work inside the ESP8266 module correctly or the NodeMCU correctly. Now let's look at the code. I already uploaded the Nokia LCD module to the ESP8266. Now I'll show you how to use it correctly. From Nokia LCD module, import the LCD class that I explained. Then creating the object LCD, the class name. I am not passing any arguments to the constructor because I am using the default value. Click enter. Now LCD dot print line. First I am printing the string on the LCD at XY11 coordinate. Just print hello. Hello world. When I press enter, it will display on the screen. When I am pressing the enter, it will display on the screen. Now let's look how to print integer on the screen. Now let's print the integer value. I'm using the same function by deleting this. Y coordinate to do, and I am printing a 3-digit number 1, 2, 3. If I pass 4 as the number of digit parameter, it will print a 0 before 1, so it will be look nice. When I press enter, it will display on the screen. When I press enter, see 1, 2, 3. The space before 0 is for printing the negative sign. I will demonstrate by decrementing a large positive value to negative value. To make a counter, first of all I am importing the time for time delay. Then for in range, I am decrementing from 1000 to negative 250. It's actually negative 250. Negative 250 by 50 as the decrement. Then LCD dot print line at x coordinate 1, y coordinate 3, and printing the number, and the number of digit is 4, say. Then put the delay. I am putting a 500 millisecond delay. When I press the enter, it will. I am pressing the enter now. See, the 0 before the first digit will look nicer. Now we look at the clear function. LCD dot clear. Say I want to clear the O, the letter O from the x coordinate, O from the hello. Hello is at 1, 1, x is at 1, y is also at 1. So increment the x coordinate to this O. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. O is at 5th position. So I am passing 5 as x and y as 1. Then I am passing 1 space. So it will be cleared. When I press enter, it will be cleared. I am pressing the enter now. See, it is cleared. If you want to clear all the screen, then you just print the clear without any parameter. Like this. LCD without any parameter, it will clear the entire display. When I press the enter, it will clear all the screen. See? So that's all for this tutorial, and in the next video I will show you how to make a menu items and also for the custom character. Thanks for watching.